Hello friends, you were watching Astro Planet Forecast and I'm your guide. In today's special and heart-touching video, we are going to talk about people who belong to Pisces. The third week of March 2026 may bring mysterious signals, hidden opportunities and powerful moments into your life. If you recognize these signs at the right time, they could completely change the direction of your destiny. Right now, the universe seems to be creating unique energy around you as if the stars are gently pushing you toward an important decision, a fresh beginning, or even a surprising success. During this week, you may experience moments that seem small on the surface, but in reality, those very moments could become the foundation of months ahead. So make sure you watch this message till the end, because what the stars are revealing today might be one of the most important signs of your future. Friends, during the third week of March, May Pisces individuals may feel a strange kind of awakening inside themselves. If it may feel as if the voice of your heart has suddenly become clearer than before. Questions that have been circling in your mind for days or even weeks might slowly begin to find their answers. You could meet certain people who may appear ordinary at first, but some things in their words may shape the direction of your thinking. One important message for this week is to trust your intuition, because your inner voice may guide you toward the right path. If you have been thinking about starting something new or stepping into a new plan, the position of the star suggests that it's time to leave fear behind and move forward. Sometimes success arrives at the exact moment when a person finally decided to leave doubts behind. When it's come to your career and financial matters, this week may mark the beginning of interesting changes. Some of you may receive a new responsibility or an opportunity that you did not even expect before. Others might gain recognition or appreciation for their work, and that recognition could open the door to bigger achievement in the near future. However, the stars also advise you not to rush your decision. If a new contract, job offer, or business partnership appear, take your time to understand carefully before accepting it. A little patience during this week could bring you much greater success later on. Remember, lucky usually spots those who recognize an opportunity and take the right step at the right moment. Now let's talk about matters of the heart, because emotion always play a deep role in their lives of Pisces individuals. This week may bring some beautiful and meaningful moment in your love life. If you are already in a relationship, there may be a conversation between you and your partner that brings both of you closer together. Misunderstandings could begin to fade, and a renewed sense of trust may grow between you. If you are single, this week might hint at a very special meeting. Sometimes someone enters our lives and completely change the way we see the world, and the stars suggest that this week of March might be the beginning of such a moment. Your family life could also become quite important during this period. You may get the chance to spend time with a family member you have not connected with for a long while. Certain issues that once caused disagreements may slowly begin to improve. The star also suggests that you should pay close attention to the advice of your elders during this week, because their life experience often carries wisdom that we may not immediately notice. If you try to spread positive energy within your home, that same positivity could begin to reflect in other areas of your life as well. From a spiritual perspective, this week could also be a very meaningful for Pisces individual. You may feel a deeper need for inner peace, as if you are asking you to pause for a moment and listen to yourself. Spending a little time in prayers, meditation, or quiet reflection may clear your mind in a surprising way. If you fill your thoughts with positivity, wish well for others, and keep your purpose clear, the energy of the universe may start creating unexpected ease and opportunity along your path. Finally, friends, the third week of March 2026 brings a powerful message for Pisces. Believe in yourself. Sometimes people underestimate their own strength, even when the stars are standing in their favor. If you recognize the voice of your heart and move forward with courage, this week would become the beginning of a completely new chapter in your life. And perhaps this is the moment when you finally move one step closer to turning your dreams into reality. Friends, if today's prediction truly touched your heart, and if you felt that the message of the stars is somehow connected to your life, then now it's your turn to spot this video. First of all, make sure to hit the like button, because even a single like from you gives us the motivation and energy to keep bringing more powerful and heart-touching prediction for you. After that, go down to the comment section and write your zodiac sign Pisces, and also tell us whether with this prediction match with what is currently happening in your life or not. Your comment means a lot to us, and we truly take the time to read every single one of them. And friends, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, because this message might also be very important for someone else in their life. If you want to receive more powerful and surprising prediction about the days ahead, then make sure you to subscribe our channel Astro Planning Forecast and press the bell icon so you never miss any new videos or updates. I'm your guide and you were watching Astro Planning Forecast. Take care of yourself, stay positive and keep connecting with the message of the star. Goodbye and see you in the next video. हो गई